Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Otherworld Computing is at it again. The maker of storage, memory, connectivity, and other devices for computers has launched the My OWC app on iOS. The idea is to make what has been best-in-class customer service even better. The app is designed to help with the setup and use of devices, updates and maintenance, providing step-by-step guides and videos. Founder and CEO Larry O'Connor on the company's approach.
It's real solutions for real needs with real honest specifications and about performance and reliability you can count on. But that's over 35 years now.
And the My OWC app for iOS is just the latest. Learn more at OWC.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at C-Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at ccrane.com or just click on the link at Techstination.com.